Meaning of George Stephenson.
George Stephenson.
George Stephenson.
George Stephenson.
George Stephenson. George Stephenson was a famous British civil engineer and pioneer of steam locomotion. He is best known for designing and building the world's first successful steam locomotive, the Rocket, which won the Rainhill trials in 1829. His inventions helped drive the Industrial Revolution in Britain, and his influence extended beyond the railway industry. Stephenson's engineering innovations were essential to the development of modern transportation, and he was widely recognized as one of the most important figures of the 19th century. His legacy continues to inspire engineers and inventors today.